Our business is actually internet security related, and we built a complete security platform to offer cybersecurity towards small and medium enterprises. One of our core processes is the complete RME flow, the return material flow. What makes us unique is that we sell our solutions with on-site repair swaps. So if a hardware is defective, it will be swapped on-site, and the cost of it is included in the subscription. We were looking for a good partner. We have tried several partners which were close by, even in Belgium. And in the end, we arrived through the community, the OCA. We found the ForgeFlow name. It was very clear that they have a big added value for two things. They were very well up to speed about knowledge about the process itself, supply processes, RME processes, those type of things. And secondly, it was also clear that their Odoo knowledge was very big, and they have a very clear understanding on how you should develop in a way that it is extendable and future oriented. And that's why we love to work with ForgeFlow.